Good morning, artists. It's me, Mr. Noah. I'm here with another video this week and another lesson. I have a new co-host this week, and I am so excited that he's here. I'm such a big fan. Mr. T. Mr. T, how's it going?
Thanks, Mr. Noah. It's great to be here. I pity the fool that don't like making arts and crafts.
Oh, well, I definitely pity those fools too. So today we're going to be making a sculpture, which is a piece of artwork that is three-dimensional, meaning that you can hold it or look at it from all sides. So paintings are usually flat, like that. Sculptures are things that are three-dimensional that you can look at all around. Today, we're going to build a sculpture called the Wobbly Snail. Okay, artists, for this project, you're definitely going to need two pieces of paper. They can be the same color if you would like, or they can be two different colors. I was really lucky and I was able to find cardstock paper, which works perfect, but if you have construction paper or just regular printer paper, or if you can find really thin sheets of cardboard to cut, that would also work. Now we're going to be cutting circles out of these pieces of paper. We need one large circle and we need one smaller circle. I was lucky, I found this plate in my cabinet that fits perfectly on my piece of paper, and I found this red lid that is a little bit smaller than my plate, which is a perfect size. So go ahead and find those circles and then trace them on your paper. Okay, now we're going to cut them out, so find a pair of scissors and cut out both of your circles. Now we have both of our circles cut out. The bigger circle is going to be the body of our snail. So we need to fold this exactly in half. So when I fold it over, I want to make sure that the top lines up right here on this edge perfectly before I push down on my fold and slide across like that. So I have a perfect fold right down the middle of my big circle. Now we're going to glue the shell onto our snail. I also need to cut out two eyes for our snail. So I'm just going to cut a long strip yellow, like this. I have a nice long rectangle, and then I'm going to cut that in half. So I'm going to have two pieces that I'm going to glue right here for the eyes of my snail. I also want to cut two circles right here for the actual eyeballs, and I'm going to use my orange paper for that. So I'm just going to turn my paper as I cut so I can make two eye shapes. There's one. Turn my paper as I cut to create a circle shape. There's two eyes. And I was kind of lucky. Since I'm an art teacher, I found these googly eyes in my shop. So I'm going to put these on my snail too. Now we just want to add a spiral to the snail shell so it looks more like a snail. Remember, this is a really fun line to draw. You start right in the middle, and you're going to start drawing a circle but don't connect. Go past that and keep going around, getting it bigger and bigger until you get to the edge of your shell, and then you can stop. That's your spiral. I'm gonna use a colored pencil to just add a little bit of color to my shell. Just gonna add a little bit all the way to the edge of my line. And now that we're done making our snail, comes the fun part. Let's put him on the table, give him a little nudge, and there he goes, wobbly snail. Isn't that cute?
Mr. Noah, I made a boat out of mine. Is that okay?
Of course, Mr. T. I love when you guys get creative. Look how cute that boat is.
Wow, that was such a great idea. Mr. T, I'm glad you were being so creative because you inspired me to make another one. I made this little dancer. All right, so that's gonna do it. Kindergartners, it was good to see you guys today. I hope you guys had a blast with this project. I know I did. I really started getting really creative and I wanted to make more and more of these things. Did you have a good time today, Mr. T? Yeah, I knew you'd like it. This is a fun project. So please be creative, try something new, and make sure that you send me pictures and email me what you guys made. I would love to see it. And I'm gonna clean up my shop and play with my little wobbly people. Bye guys.